What happened to the ClickUp board? If you were like me, you were probably surprised when you went into ClickUp. I know it's the sun, it's like hitting me from a weird angle, but you were probably surprised to see this, which is this place for you to add a person, another place to add some dates, and another place to add priorities. And the fact that it just looks busy and honestly kind of ugly and overwhelming, and you did nothing to deserve this hideous board view, but except for ClickUp just decided that you needed this. So if you want to change this, you can go over here to the right and go to customize and then go to board options and then uncheck every single thing except the first one, which is stack fields. I'm not sure why, but if you uncheck this, this idea makes whatever the name of your column is becomes massively huge. I find that really distracting. So if you just leave it like that, it should be okay. Now, the bad news is that once you make this change, it's only good for this one particular board. You will have to go in to every single other board that you have and make those changes all over again for every single board, which could be kind of cumbersome if you have a lot. I don't know why ClickUp made this change, but they did. So that's how to fix it. I found it a surprise, so just thought I would share that in case you were surprised by it as well.